Good morning, everyone. My name is Jason. I'm from Milesight. 2022, it's a big year for Milesight because we got a big plan. Well, as you can see, we have the new building. I'm pretty sure you guys already get some information from our YouTube channel and the social media. Well, today it's just a moment for me to introduce you guys all the details. This year, we have the complete upgrade for our new building, for our brand, even for our logo. We got a new identity, so please come with me, have a look. This is our new logo, Milesight. Looks so beautiful. I love this new designing, to be very honest. And also, as I mentioned, today I'm going to show you guys more details. So please, just let me take you guys to start this journey to join this mighty AIoT world. Let's go. Since we mentioned AIoT, well, the first thing I want to share with you guys here is going to be our AIoT camera. Let's have a check. Well, it's not just a camera actually, guys. This is also something really cool. Let me show you here. See that? This is exactly the way I'm gonna check in. So, pretty intelligent, right? Now let's get to the lobby. Well, here we are, guys. The new office, the new lobby. Everything looks so fantastic. Check on our new decoration. I truly love this. And I want to show you guys more details. Have a look. Well, it's Monday morning. I feel so excited in our new place. Everything's so good. Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Jason.
How's everything going?
Pretty well.
Great. So, what do you think about our new place?
I have to say I love this place and it's really amazing working here.
That's right. I feel the same way.
Yeah.
What's your plan this morning?
I'm going to attend an AIoT training for our sales team.
Wow, sounds interesting. So where's the training?
Yeah, maybe you can come with me, so just follow me.
That's a good idea. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so I think this is gonna be the training room, right?
Here you are, Jason.
Okay, let's have a look. Wow, it's a big one, guys, actually. Seriously, I love this place. It's kind of like a cinema, right? I think this is exactly the place where you usually have all kinds of training, product training, technical training, sales training. For example, like this one, it can accommodate totally over, I guess, like 60 persons. It's a big one, professional, absolutely professional one. Hopefully next time I can have a training for you guys in this one. All right. Anyway, come on, take a look.
Okay, I think it's time to start today's training. And as you know, Milesight is a global company which specializes in CCTV and AIoT, LoRaWAN, and PBX system.
All right, guys, I think the training started. We better get out of this place. All right, so let's go. So we better get out of this place. So as you can see, this is our training room. Oh, looks so good. I love the decoration. And I guess it's called auditorium. Pretty professional, right? So professional places like this, we have so many in our new building. Since we moved to the new place, I really want to show you guys lots of cool places. This is just one of them. So the next one I want to show you guys is going to be our lavatory. And I guess we also have a testing room, very professional for our R&D department and engineers. So why don't we just take a look? Let's go check this out. Here's the elevator. Here we go. All right, guys, now we're in the working area. The big office, right, looks really fantastic. But I actually want to share with you guys something cool, which is going to be our testing room. So let's have a look. Well, as you can see, we have so many devices here and with our engineers. Let's see what they're doing now. Hey, Nancy, how's it going?
Hey, Jason. I'm testing the LoRa antenna signal now.
Okay, that's cool. So what's this for?
Oh yeah, this machine is mainly used to ensure our old antenna can be a good LoRa signal. Yeah.
But what are these? You have so many things here. Why don't you give us an introduction?
Yes, of course. These are used for sensor power consumption testing. They will help extend sensor battery life to more than 10 years for some sensors.
Yeah, wow, that's great. That's very important, actually.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, I think you guys are quite busy. Thank you for sharing all this.
Okay.
Have a check later.
Okay, bye.
Let's keep going. All right. So we have lots of places like this. This is actually one of them. We also have testing rooms upstairs. For example, like we have image testing, we have video testing, we have temperature testing. Lots of things there, and I will catch you guys on the next floor. Well, guys, this is the place where I mentioned before. We're gonna test our video and image right over here. So why don't we just have a look here, see what's gonna happen. Hey, Sky.
Hey Jason,
How's it going?
I'm fine, thank you.
Great. So what you're doing now?
I'm doing some testing for our cameras.
Yeah, so many cameras. So what kind of testing?
Okay, in this room I will simulate some different testing environments such as nighttime environment and also some different color temperature environment. We shoot these objects and analyze the image quality.
Wow, so many things. So we're gonna test the image quality under different conditions, right?
What's more, we have a color temperature light box to simulate different color temperature environments, and we will shoot color checker and use professional software to analyze the color cast.
Well, in addition to indoor testing, we also have lots of outdoor testings, of course. So let's have a look. On our building roof here, we have so many cameras, as you can see here. This is exactly the place where we perform age testing, long distance testing, and also something like tracking, automatic tracking testing. So many things, as you can see here. Well, before launching a new product, dozens of testing will be undertaken to ensure good performance and high reliability. All right, guys, I think this is about the time for us to take a break. You know, we have a lunch break and we also have a break for napping. So let's just check in the office, see what's gonna happen now. All right, so like I mentioned, this is gonna be the time for napping, so you guys can see that's really awesome, right? Well, the lights and curtains will be automatically controlled to create a comfortable nap environment. Pretty awesome, right? Now let's keep going. Well, guys, let me take you to this place, our leisure area. I have something cool want to share with you guys. It's gonna be the coffee bar. It's a big coffee bar. I'm gonna have my coffee here. Can I have the coffee? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, so let's enjoy our coffee. Check this place. A very beautiful place, nice and peaceful for chilling. So let's have a sit here. Wow, that's a good coffee. So good, guys. Well, anyway, let's just check around here. Well, I guess this is also about the time to work. So I would like to take you guys check around here. You know, we call this area the leisure area, but actually it's not just a place for chilling. We have lots of things to do here. Something else really awesome. For example, we have this classroom, but it's not just a classroom. Check this. It's called a live studio. Very professional, right? And you guys can also see they are preparing for the live stream. Let's just check in, okay? Hey guys. Anna.
Hey Jason.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
So good to meet you here. I'm doing good.
Yeah.
All right, so how's everything going?
Yeah, very well.
What you guys doing now?
We have a meeting talking about the new product launch. Yes.
So this is gonna be the preparation for your live stream, right?
Exactly.
Great, great. How do you feel about our new place?
Oh, I really love this dedicated live studio room. Here we discuss about marketing support,
Yeah.
and we really love this place because we can boost our ideas and
Sure.
make it into a reality.
Yeah, that's quite professional.
Yes.
Love it.
Oh, sorry, I have a brainstorming meeting.
Okay.
I gotta go. Would you like to join with me?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Let's go.
Take me there.
Okay.
Well, Anna, so exactly what is our topic for this brainstorming?
It's about new product launch. So besides the product promotion, we also discuss how to better provide the market support,
Sure.
after sales support, and
Right.
technical support.
Sounds very interesting. I'm actually very curious about this. So show me, please. Well, honestly, I love this place. Feels so good.
So at Milesight, we set up several brainstorming meeting rooms. We inspire everyone to think freely and generated as much as spontaneous ideas as possible.
Yeah, sure, I can see that. This is a good place for people to get something creative. Love it.
Definitely.
Well, so I believe year 2022 will be a big year for Milesight. We have so many plans there, so many upgrades. Oh, this is definitely going to be a big deal.
Sorry guys, have to take this.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Hi. Oh, the customer's here? Okay, I got it.
Well, customer call.
Yeah. Sorry guys, have to leave.
No
I need
problem.
to prepare a meeting.
Okay.
Jason, you wanna come with me?
Yeah, sure. I want to check the new meeting room.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, you know what? You might probably be sick of hustle and bustle of meeting scheduling in the past, but in MileSight, you don't have to worry about this. It's not a big deal. We have a brand new smart meeting solution for helping us to manage over 30 meeting rooms. Great, right? Let me just show you there. Let's go check it out. Well, after the booking, the smart display will turn orange to indicate that it's reserved, and the meeting will start soon. This is actually our ambience monitoring sensor. Before the meeting, the system will monitor the air quality and make the air fresh if needed. Every involved colleagues will receive a notification and take their responsibility respectively. Well, Mike, check this. Something really cool in our meeting room. It's a sensor. It's a smell interface, right?
Yeah, I think we did a great job.
Absolutely, we got a good air quality. It's excellent. That's nice.
Yeah, well, I think we are done here, so I got to prepare.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Yeah, catch you later. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we have so many sensors. This is just one of them in every single one of our meeting rooms in this new building, which totally gives us a very clear image to show you exactly the air quality of our meeting rooms. That helps a lot. Let's keep going. I have something else I want to share with you guys. In addition, for some formal meetings, we would like to invite our partners to experience some traditional Chinese culture. For example, like this, the tea room is fantastic, right? So that's pretty awesome. We have so many tea rooms in our new building as well. So next time, hopefully you guys can join with me to enjoy a cup of tea. Well, guys, as you can see in our new building, the new headquarters, we actually apply our MileSight new technologies and solutions everywhere. For example, we have smart meeting solution, right? We have smart surveillance solution on the roof. We also have smart lighting, smart curtain, so many things everywhere. But that's not all we got. So I guess I have one more thing I want to share with you guys, which is gonna be this great, awesome, fantastic excavation room. So, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to introduce you this excavation room. Enjoy your journey. Well, MileSight is a fast-growing AIoT solution provider. At MileSight, we leverage the value of the top trending technologies, for example, like 5G, AI, IoT, to create a comprehensive AIoT solution. We're dedicated to working with our partners all around the world to build a safer, smarter, and more connected world. Well, I wish you guys have a great day and enjoy the journey in our new building with this AIoT
Jason?
journey. Hey, Jack. Good to meet you again.
It's time to off work. You want to take a ride?
Sure, that's what I'm thinking. That's actually what I'm thinking.
Let's go.
So I got a free cab now. Let's go. All right, guys. Guess that was all we have for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this journey with me. And welcome to MileSight. I will catch you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.